Hello, future moneymakers. Welcome to my channel. I have just found a free app for creating video using AI. Watch the full video without skipping to know everything you need to know about this app. This app has some limitations, but can be used for creating viral videos you have seen in YouTube. Is it really free? Yes, it is, but you have to watch some ads. Mix 3 is not available as of now, so we can use Mix 2. Select Video and click Continue. Now you will see a lot of options. Select any one first, then you can select another one to make the fusion. I am going to select Venom first, and then I will pick Optimus Prime. The video has been created. We can see the result now. The video created comes with popular music you have heard in YouTube or other platforms. The video is available to download for free. Just tap on Save to download the video. I am going to create one more video. I will pick something different this time. I am going to pick lion and monkey to make the fusion. I am going to create another video, and after that, I will tell you the limitations of this app. It's time to show you the limitations. The video generated is not dynamic, which means when you pick the same combinations, you get the same video as it is already pre-built. Still, you can try every combinations to create many shorts videos, and you can post in YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and possibly make some money. As you can see, it is the same video for the same combination. You can also create photo from two of your selection. In conclusion, the video is completely free, which is the pros of this app, but it's pre-built. Try this app. It is free to download and free to use. I will leave the link in the description or comment section. Like and subscribe to this channel so you know about other free AI tools or apps.